One of the simple but very useful features of the Additel 760 automatic calibrator is the ability to check pressure switches. In this case, we have a Suco switch rated at 0 to 100 kPa, and it's set to be factory preset to switch at 50 kPa. Let's see if it really is. In this case, I'm going to do it in a semi-manual way. I'm going to go to the auto step function, and I'm going to set a range of between 35 kPa and 52 kPa because we think it should switch in that area. And we're going to do a single rise and fall. I select that, and if I simply click start, the instrument will pressurize straight away to 35. It will then ramp to 52, and here on the display it will show the points at which it switched. So the instrument pressures to 35. That white numbering will turn green when we're stable at 35. There we are at 35. Now it's going to pressure to 52. We see the switch close in the mid 40s. We're stable at our second set point of 52. We'll dwell for 2 seconds, and now we'll do the falling pressure. And we see the switch opened slightly below 40. And when we reach the 35 kPa 0 point, the test will end, and we see a switch point rising of 44.46 kPa and a falling pressure of 39.8.